Are you ready for some mind-blowing news from the farthest reaches of space? After an incredible journey of 45 years, Voyager One has just sent back some shocking warning data to Earth, and we're here to reveal all the details. From unexpected cosmic rays to the mysterious magnetic highway, the discoveries made by Voyager One are reshaping our understanding of the universe. So, join us as we delve into the latest data sent back by this iconic space probe and discover the wonders that lie beyond our solar system. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to stay up to date with the latest news and discoveries in space exploration. What is Voyager One? Voyager One is a space probe that was launched by NASA in 1977 to study the outer solar system and beyond. It is the farthest human-made object from Earth, having traveled over 14 billion miles from our planet. The probe is currently in interstellar space, beyond the influence of the Sun's magnetic field and the heliosphere, the region of space dominated by the solar wind. Voyager One carries a variety of scientific instruments to study the environment of space, including cosmic rays, plasma waves, and the magnetic fields of the planets it has encountered. It is flown by Jupiter, Saturn, and Titan, and sent back stunning images and data that have revolutionized our understanding of these planets and their moons. Voyager One is still communicating with Earth through the Deep Space Network, using radio waves to transmit information back to scientists. The mission of Voyager One has been extended several times, and it is expected to continue transmitting data until at least 2025. Its incredible journey has made it one of the most iconic and inspiring missions in the history of space exploration. Strange data. NASA's Voyager One is continuing its journey beyond our solar system, 45 years after it was launched. But now the veteran spacecraft is sending back strange data, puzzling its engineers. NASA said on Wednesday that while the probe is still operating properly, readouts from its attitude articulation and control system, AACS for short, don't seem to match the spacecraft's movements and orientation, suggesting the craft is confused about its location in space. The AACS is essential for Voyager to send NASA data about its surrounding interstellar environment, as it keeps the craft's antenna pointing right at our planet. A mystery like this is sort of par for the course at this stage of the Voyager mission. Suzanne Dodd, a project manager for Voyager 1 and 2 at NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, said in a statement. The spacecraft are both almost 45 years old, which is far beyond what the mission planners anticipated. The Voyager 1 spacecraft is sending back some funky data from interstellar space that's leaving NASA engineers scratching their heads. Readouts on the orientation of the 1970s-era space probe now appear to be randomly generated or don't reflect any possible scenario the spacecraft could be in, NASA Jet Propulsion Laboratory officials said this week. Both Voyagers 1 and 2 are almost 45 years old, which is far beyond their original life expectancy. Interstellar space is a high-radiation environment that no spacecraft has ever flown in before, she said, so surprises are almost expected to arise. Voyager 1 is 14.5 billion miles from Earth. That means light takes 20 hours and 33 minutes to travel that distance. In other words, the lag between getting a message to Voyager and receiving a response is about 2 days. There are some big challenges for the engineering team, Dodd said. But I think if there's a way to solve this issue with the telemetry, our team will find it. The journey from Earth to deep space was a series of gravity assist programs to help boost the spacecraft to its final deep space mission. Something strange is now occurring with the Voyager 1 spacecraft. Voyager 1 passed out of the Sun's solar wind heliopause back in 2012 and is now in true deep space. The spacecraft is sending some erroneous number sequences from the instrument that keeps the main antenna pointed to Earth. Voyager 1 is still within the gravity of the Sun, but something is causing the bad data. What could it be? The main theory of what the culprit might be is failing circuitry with the onboard electronics. Or could this be some effects on the spacecraft from cosmic radiation from this unknown part of the outer solar system? If the electronics were to fail, the craft would send us some fault detection signals. But that is not what is going on. Both Voyager 1 and Voyager 2 were sent on a similar path. But after they reached Saturn, they each took a different path in the solar system. NASA has fixed the glitch. Back in May, NASA reported that the Voyager 1 space probe was sending back jumbled or inaccurate telemetry data. The probe itself seemed to be in good shape, with a signal that was still strong enough to beam back information, and nothing was triggering its fault protection systems that would put it in safe mode. According to NASA, the Voyager team has not only figured the problem out since then, it has also solved the issue. Turns out we're getting jumbled data here on Earth because the probe's Attitude Articulation and Control System, AACS, has been sending back information through an onboard computer that had stopped working years ago. The computer was corrupting the data before it even went out. Voyager project manager Susan Dodd said that when her team suspected that this was the issue, they implemented a low-risk fix. They commanded the AACS to send its data through the probe's working computer again. While the engineers have fixed the glitch, they've yet to figure out why the AACS started routing information through the old computer in the first place. They believe it was triggered by a faulty command by another onboard computer, which was itself triggered by an underlying issue with the spacecraft. Voyager's engineers will keep looking for the problem's root cause, NASA said, but they don't think it will have a huge effect on the spacecraft's operations. Voyager 1 has been operational for almost 45 years and reached interstellar space in 2012. NASA expects it to continue being able to run at least one science instrument until 2025, after which it will keep drifting away from our solar system until it loses contact with NASA's deep space network. In conclusion, the recent data sent back by Voyager 1 after 45 years in deep space is a testament to the incredible achievements of human space exploration. The probe has revolutionized our understanding of the outer solar system and the nature of interstellar space, providing new discoveries and insights into the mysteries of our universe. The fact that Voyager 1 is still communicating with Earth after all these years is a remarkable feat of engineering and a tribute to the dedicated team of scientists and engineers who have worked on the mission over the decades. If you want to stay updated with the latest news and discoveries in space exploration, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to never miss a video. Who knows what exciting discoveries we will make in the years to come? So, keep your eyes on the stars and join us on this amazing journey of exploration.